Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we're going to have a food taste test, and this would be wackiest and tastiest. I'm your host Sasuka, and I've got something crazy for you guys today. It's the battle of flavors. So we have dewberry, strawberries and cream versus dewberry, blueberry cheesecake.
If you wanna run ahead, I'll meet you.
These two bad boys have been taking over the snack aisles lately. And the question on everyone's lips is, which one tastes best? And of course, magkakaalaman guys dahil titikman natin to. And ako na ang bahala sa inyo magbigay ng mga reviews kung ano yung mga lasa nila. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so simulan na natin sa Jack and Jill Dewberry, Strawberries and Cream. Okay, ang ganda guys, packaging pa lang, di ba? Very, na siya, attractive. Pero tingnan natin kung attractive din ba yung taste niya. Alright, so, ganito siya guys. Oh, so beautiful guys. Diba, packaging pa lang. Okay, so meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 pieces siya sa loob. So, I think perfect din siya pang gift, especially this love month. Diba, red na red. Okay, so, sa packaging niya pa lang guys, very sweet na siya. And, parang strawberry talaga. So, tingnan natin yung loob niya. Wow! Beautiful, guys. So, para siyang strawberry na ginawang snack, ginawang chips. Panalo rin yung amoy, guys. And, it's time to taste it. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, guys. So, it's like a dessert in a chip. And then, lalong tumatagal, lalong nalalasahan mo yung strawberry. So, it tastes berry, it tastes creamy, and ang pinaka nagustuhan ko rin, very soft yung biscuit niya. Masarap. Okay, so tikman naman natin itong si Dewberry Blueberry Cheesecake. Tingnan natin kung masarap din ba to, mas masarap, or mas masarap yung si strawberry. Alright, so sige, i-open natin guys. Ayan. So, packaging pa lang guys. Maganda na rin. Diba? So, ganito siya sa loob. Ayun. Ganyan siya kaganda sa loob. Although, I think mas attractive si strawberry. Pero, maganda rin yung packaging. Ayan. So, see? So, creamy. Packaging pa lang, diba? Creamy na siya. Pero sige, tingnan natin yung sa loob. Oh, ganun siya. Okay, so parang Mas brownish siya compared sa strawberry. Okay. So, see, nasa loob yung feeling niya. Nasa gitna yung feeling niya na blueberry. So, sige, tikman natin. Sarap. Okay. Parang hindi ako makapagsalita, guys. Creamier din siya. And habang tumatagal, mas lalong nagiging bolder yung taste niya. And of course, habang tumatagal sa pagpapak mo, ay lalong nalalasahan mo yung blueberry, which is masarap.
Don't you wish that I could give you?
So, ayan guys, we have two different flavors. So, from my right side, meron tayong very light, creamy, and sweet strawberry and cream. And dito naman, meron tayong bold and tangy tastes of blueberry cheesecake. So, for me guys, masarap silang dalawa. Pero mas nasarapan ako dito sa blueberry, strawberries, and cream. Kasi very light lang siya. And then, very sweet. And soft lang yung kanyang biscuit. So, it's really like, kagaya ng sinabi kanina, it's really like a dessert in chips. And nalalasahan mo talaga yung strawberry habang tumatagal. While dito sa blueberry cheesecake, yan, nalalasahan mo rin talaga yung blueberry and cheesecake. Kaso lang, medyo matapang siya, medyo bold, and medyo tangy. So, yung characteristic ko kasi guys, hindi ako masyado sa mga tangy na food. So, I prefer light. Kaya, I chose strawberries and cream. Pero syempre, that's my opinion, that's my option. So, you can also comment your option in our comment box. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that you'll be notified for more fun food tastes next time. So, of course, till next, and keep snacking, and of course, keep it delicious. Goodbye!
Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.